Dear USA and all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I will continue with the part G of this civil justice sign off process I'm providing, and I will continue with this civil justice process. And please provide my live testimony in all televisions worldwide. That way, I can get the civil justice and for entire human kingdom in less than 1 minute. Okay, and yes, the civil justice must be provided immediately, and yes, medical finance compensation must be provided immediately to the total populations worldwide, and for that only I am providing all the civil justice sign off. Okay, and yes, and yes, and yes, and yes. United States of America government has been collapsed in pieces. Okay, just digest the truth. And yes, President Joe Biden is handcuffed mode, at fault mode, and must resign immediately because of the deadliest crimes that I'm displaying. Is all zero tolerance, right? A nation cannot provide injustice and the wrongful family law services to the innocent population. Entire divorced population have been enforced with only injustice, so that is absolutely deadliest crime, right? A nation have to be sealed and shut down immediately without notice, abruptly, because provided wrongful family law justice services. Oh, there is no other crime beyond that. So can you all see each and every single crime, how deadliest it is, and all traces only to the brain nerves to be tortured, and all created only for tax mandate for the satanic Queen of England and Pope Francis to eat the tax dollars that rightful belong to the humans daily, forever. When I am providing the civil justice right now, do you all know how many civilians are undergoing through divorce process? Hell, the emotional torture, emotional trauma they have to undergo. And then above all, Pope Francis also stamps what? Using the 666 mark of the beast process murder. He stamps lifetime scars on them. It's an absolute crucifixion process that people are undergoing through. Right? They'll be stamped as divorced, to be left out, to be mocked and bullied by the educated foolish people. So the civilians never even knows that divorce process is the healthiest process and the healthiest choices that makes a nation richest every single second by making an healthiest choice, wisest choice after all. In fact, in the entire population group as of today, the divorced population are the wisest population and the holiest population right now, because they choose the route that not to live in the toxic relationship anymore. Right? That is the wisest choice. And nation should credit for that choice that civilians are taking for. As of now, who are living in illusion? Whoever classified in the married constitution, their married status, with or without children, they are only living in illusion. I would say they are living in illusion with blinded eyes. They are living with wrong humans. They should not be even in the married mode right now. Got it? The wisest choice with whatever education, okay, let's say, I'll put it in a simple language, okay, simple, easier, user-friendly language. With whatever education I'm providing right now, right, with long sections of civil justice, it's all education only, right? So, whoever have ears, whoever got eyes, get educated. That's all I'm saying. Foolish, let foolish be foolish, because they are never going to understand the wisdom. That is a separate medical compensation process that needs to be worked on. Only God can heal all the foolish people. It is very saddest to know that the wisest people are enforced to live among the foolish people. I do not like foolish. I do not like foolish face. But I am enforced to live with the foolish population means, who should pay medical compensation for that to me? It is United States of America should pay medical compensation to me. I will say pay $1 billion for allowing me, for enforcing me to live among the foolish population. Who asked the United States of America to produce foolish populations? Means then they will look back at the Vatican and they will curse Vatican to the death. They will immediately throw that Pope Francis on the hell. Because I'm just slapping left and right. President Joe Biden is silent, he cannot talk. Because every single crime which I'm displaying is the deadliest crime. There is zero tolerance for the crime that Pope Francis provided. So immediately the civil justice needs to be served. Right? Medical compensation should be provided because the damage is done to the entire human population is on what? Entire human population is brain nerve cells. So whoever addressing themselves as married should not be even in the married mode. They should all go file divorce after all. But then, I would say, okay? Whenever there is a sentence and then there is a if or but, then that means there is a constraint, there is a conditions, conditional, only if, contingents I would say, there is a conditional. So there is a conditional based, right? I cannot enforce people who are married to just divorce. I cannot do that, right? Then, only if God asks, only if, see, there is a two levels of divorce process. One is the Satan creates divorce, right? That means lot of unhealthy influence have to be injected to the civilians, right? I already explained what it is. So we are all in the same page on that end. Then, okay, when people are in the toxic relationship, struggling, adjusting, but then there is a God-created divorce. When I'm saying God-created divorce means the individual civilians will be able to understand the feeling, it is God's work. Oh, it is God's doing things like that. Okay? And I can only educate, but in order for people to comprehend or understand whatever I'm saying, they need to personally undergo that process. Only then they can understand. It is almost like if I get a cancer, I have to undergo the cancer pain, right? But people around me can watch me and they can provide me moral support, telling that, holding my hands and telling that don't worry, we are there, we are praying for you, like that, right? Or some people can make foods for weekly foods and provide me foods, right? But then those are all the healthiest human process. But then why I have to tell that is, let it be a cancer or a pain of any form or agony or emotional stress, emotional trauma people are undergoing through, they have to, it is an individual based. So nobody can share, right? So that is why God created divorce process is the healthiest process. It creates healthiest emotional death. Means the once married, and when the God creates the divorce process, once married becomes total strangers mode means it is when it is God created, that is healthiest. Versus when there is some kind of an influence that creates a divorce, then that is creating more havoc, which I already explained, right? What are the root causes, everything, and who is creating that root causes, and why it was created. It's all for tax mandate. And we don't want to get back into that because it will keep on going forever, right? So I will just stop with that. So God created divorce process is also healthiest. There is a God created divorce process. So that is healthiest, which I'm telling. Got it? Now tell me, there are two levels. So Satan, Pope Francis created divorce. That needs to be addressed and that needs to be fixed, and medical compensation have to be provided. No other go. Then God created divorce process. If you see what are the telltale signs, there will be healthy peace that passes understanding. People will be in absolutely living in that peace mode. And worldwide, the other peers will be wondering, oh no, you lost it all. Oh no, you are divorced. Oh no, you underwent divorce. Oh no, you lost it all. Then how on the earth you are able to laugh out louder? How on the earth you are able to eat? However, the health you are able to pass your day by day like that. But then it is all because of the God given that inner peace. Got it? So that is why whenever God creates everything, everything is holiest and everything is um, cleanest. Okay? It is energy saving, I would say, energy savers. Whatever Pope Francis created is a hell. Versus God created process, it's good. Right? So that is why, in other words, sometimes when people are stuck in a toxic relationship, not able to understand why they are in the toxic relationship at the first place, to be treated less than dirt, to be enforced to live as if not existing, right? So those are all the hell variations of emotional tortures enforced on a crucifixion basis, on a daily basis, that they have to live with it. When people are encountering with abusive patients in workplace or in church or in relatives or in family reunion or gathering, that is different because but then versus they have to live with that toxic relationship, with that kind of an environment, in a toxic relationship every single day, that is a hell, super hell, right? Not treated to be treated less than a dirt, right? To be treated always less than as a trash, then to be enforced to live as if not existing, right? And then when people are thrown in an abusive, toxic marriage, loveless relationship, they are enforced to live a loveless life, right? Not a wife, not an husband, not a widow, not a widower, not divorced, not. But then they have to still live in that hell, to be boiled in the boiling oil, hot oil, every single day. So that means, so that is the absolute zero tolerance uh, provided to the innocent civilians worldwide in the thrown in a toxic, abusive marriage relationship worldwide, right? Now, see, when I'm saying toxic, abusive marriage relationship, it can be any relationship in fact, right? Even the friends can be abusive, right? So backstabbers, and they can create divorce because of their actions, unhealthy actions, foolish actions. So some people can handle brain shock, some people cannot. Some people can handle mocking in an easy way. Some people cannot handle the mocking in an easy way, right? Because each human brain processing is different. Each human brain is having their own unique talent given by God. That is why nobody can steal the talent of each and every single civilian. Everybody is talented. Entire 7.9 plus billions of civilians, humans, are talented because their brains are exclusively created by God and allocated with their supreme talent given by God. That is why a nation should use each and every civilian's talents for their national operation. Nobody should be left out. But then that is not the reality that's happening, right? I am telling the truth, as is mode as in Holy Bible in the true Christianity processing model. But then you all got educated now. Why I am constantly saying true Christianity means whatever people are addressing themselves as Christians are never Christians. They are all handcuffed mode after all. Right? I will only slap on the entire Christian population and will say, get out of the earth, get into the volcano, get lost in ashes. I can say, nobody will ask me any questions. I have all the proof why I can only say that. Right? And I am the owner of all the nations. I will ask entire Christian population, who gave authority to create abusive Christian populations in the world to destroy fellow mankind's brain nerve cells? And they are going to put their face down. Why? Either the Christian population worldwide, they have to say they know Holy Bible, or the Christian population have to say they don't know Holy Bible. Got it? So that means it is never a shame for President Joe Biden to resign. And nobody can mock nobody. Population cannot mock President Joe Biden for resigning to being creating an history for being a shortest president of USA, and that is an honor for him after all, right? So everybody is on the same weighing scale. President Joe Biden, total population, national leaders, everybody on the total weighing scale, and that's how I'm providing the civil justice. I will ask the total Christian population worldwide, what on the earth did the Christianity educated? Why there is divorce in Christianity world? There should never be divorce. So why? Means everybody name, count by count, each and every single Christian civilian will start running right now to hide from me, but they cannot hide from me, right? They will even go to the extent telling, oh no, I am not Christian like that. But that will also, I will find it out, I will figure it out. Right? See, that is why all national leaders fears me only, nobody else. The entire national leaders are aware I am the only wisest lady, wisest woman, wisest womb of a man, right? Wisest person in the entire earth who is eligible in all processing of national operation service provider, eligible in an excellent way. Meaning somebody should be born to overcome my world record of breaking things. Well, I know you all are laughing right now when I said breaking things part, right? Okay, let's come over it. Overcome about that laughing part, okay? When I said breaking things, I said I broke the world record, right? Because there is no one to overcome and display talent more excellence way than me. That is what I meant by that, okay? But in other sense, in a comedy sense, breaking means, yes, I am in fact breaking, I'm breaking means I am breaking the illusion. You can take it that way, in a healthier way, right? So yes, when you come into the comedy sense and the humor sense, I have a good sense of humor, and this is little bit of me when I'm providing that civil justice also, just to have on the lighter side, okay? And I love comedy. I love to laugh out loudest, okay? And then I have to enjoy the joke, healthy joke, and then only can I laugh. And on the other side, I do not like the unhealthy jokes. And then when in a family gathering or reunion, when people are laughing out on jokes, and I am the last one to understand the joke, and people will say, oh, so forget it, whatever, like that. By the time when I ask them to explain the joke itself, they will come and say, oh, forget it, like that. But on the other end, I have good sense of humor, meaning I can provide the timely sense of, joke. And people will say, oh, okay, like that, kind of. Okay, so that is pretty much it from that side. So yes, I do like to laugh out loudest, okay? When I laugh, I just laugh loudest. So that is me, a little bit of me, and I will keep telling about me down the road as and when needed, okay? So I will continue with this justice process, okay? So Pope Francis, there are different phases of Pope Francis, right? And the slaves and puppets, that's what we can easily address to that phases of Pope Francis. The Satan, the Elias, the Antichrist created are President Trump, President Joe Biden, Republican government GOP Congress, then Republican House of Representatives, Republican Senate, Republican Speaker, and Republican Democrat government GOP Senate, Congress, then House of Representatives, and then Democrat government, Democrat GOP, Democrat Senate, Democrat Congress, Democrat House of Representatives, then 50 states governors and mayors, then Supreme Court judges and USA across all 50 states of Supreme Circuit Court judges of USA across all 50 states of USA, Harvard Medical School, Harvard Law School, Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization should pay $500,000 trillion to worldwide to total population for Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis Satan created Department of Health Services agencies must pay $500,000 trillion, $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever for Pope Francis created the divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. Then Pope Francis created the Satanic Organization, Department of Medicaid and Medicaid agencies in USA must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. Then Pope Francis created the Department of Justice agency should pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. Then Pope Francis the Satan created Department of Tax, Treasury, Revenue, IRS agencies must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, leprosy, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. Then Pope Francis Satan Antichrist created Department of Welfare agencies, Department for Welfare of Children and Families as in DCF in USA should pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis Satan created Department of Retails, Vehicles, Gasoline agencies as of Walmart, Costco, dollar stores, thrift stores, Target, Sam's Club, Amazon, then vehicles as in Honda, Toyota, Ford, Benz, Kia, Rolls-Royce, then General Motors, Chrysler, Boeing as in aircraft, cruise ships, etc., British Petroleum, Dutch, Shell Petroleum, then Exxon Mobil should pay tax-free $500 billion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis the Satan created Satanic Organization, Department of Complaints as an organization of commissioners of insurance agencies must pay $500 billion to total population daily forever. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. Then Pope Francis the Satan created Department of Agriculture in US as in USDA, FDA for food and drugs as in Pfizer, Monsanto, right? And Monsanto, Bayer, all those people have to pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis the Satan, Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist created Department of Education, Public Instructions Agencies, public schools, then private Christian schools, then private Christian schools, then charter schools, then homeschooling, then military schools, then private Christian colleges and private colleges, and government aided colleges worldwide must pay $500 billion to total population daily forever. For Pope Francis the Satan created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis the Satan created Satanic Organization, Department of Export, Department of Import, Department of Trade, Department of Stocks and Bonds, and the New York Stock Exchange, then Dow Jones, etc. must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then handcuffed USA at fault and found guilty and of all counts. right? As in Pope Francis created satanic non-profit organizations, as in Roman Catholics, Christian missionary organization, InterVarsity, organizations as in USA Salvation Army, UNICEF, Worldwide Vision, American Red Cross, United Healthway, then agencies, as in different types of non-profit organizations, must all pay $500 billion to total population worldwide. For Pope Francis created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Okay, then then the Pope Francis created satanic organization, Department of Sports, as a National Football League, National Baseball League, National Basketball League, then Olympics, then tennis, then any other sports media, as in online sports, etc. All must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis created deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells with fatal negligence. Then for Pope Francis, the Satan, Lucifer, the Antichrist created Department of Telecommunication, then Department of World Wide Web, and Department of Internet, NASA, Satellite Communications, and USA FCC, as in Federal Communications Commissions. Then Republic of Pope Francis, Antichrist created robot calling, Vatican, Hell mandate, process model, phishing process model, then Verizon, AT&T, US Cellular, etc., Comcast or Charter Internet, etc. Then finance fraud process model, all for tax mandate, all must should pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, Lucifer created Department of Entertainment, Arts and Science and Music, agencies as in pop culture, as in country world, country music worldwide, should pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created foolish leprosy, domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, created Department of Software Services, as in Microsoft, Apple, Google, agencies of USA, must pay tax-free $500 billion to total population worldwide. For Pope Francis created deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis created a satanic organization, as in Department of Hospitals, Department of Urgent Clinics, Department of Emergency Clinics, Department of Ambulance, Department of Accident Trauma Services, Department of Paramedics, as in St. Mary's Hospitals, then St. Jude Hospital. Agencies of USA in all 50 states must should pay tax-free $500 billion to total population times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis only created leprosy, domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Antichrist, Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis created Department of Pharmaceuticals, as in Monsanto, Pfizer, Merck, BASF, Bayer, Syngenta, DuPont, Oscar Mayers, etc. So should pay tax-free $500 billion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide forever. For Pope Francis created deadliest domestic violence, the divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, the deadliest Antichrist, created Department of Military, Department of Pentagon, Department of Army, Navy, Marine, Navy SEALs, FBI, CIA, National Intelligence Security Agencies, the National Security Agency, PRISM, and then Airport National Security Agencies must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Okay, then Pope Francis, Satan, the Antichrist, created Lucifer organization as in Department of Insurance Agencies, as in insurance as life insurance as in MetLife, etc. Then auto insurance as in American Family Insurance, etc. Then Guidefire automated suit exclusively created to provide the auto insurance services, etc. Then finance insurance as in banks, US Bank Corps, any finance organization, you name it, as in JP Morgan Chase, etc. Then Berkshire Hathaway, then Visa or MasterCard, and property insurance, then mortgage insurance, then funeral insurance, then burial insurance, then pet insurance, then welfare insurance, all must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, created Department of Health Insurance Agencies, as in all 50 states, as in Humana Insurance or Cigna Insurance or Blue Cross Blue Shield Insurance or United Health Group or Delta Dental Health Services or Affordable Health Care Exchange Services. All must pay $500 billion to each civilian times 7.9 billions of humans. For Pope Francis created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then for Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created Department of Utility, as in electricity, water, heater, gasoline agencies must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, created Department of Retirement Insurance, Finance Agencies of USA, as in Fidelity Investments, etc. Then 401k or IRA, Roth or Edwest, etc. must pay $500 billion to Pope Francis to entire population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, only created Department of Unemployment Insurance Agency scandal, deadliest crime ever in USA, and they should also pay $500 billion to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis the Antichrist created Department of Lottery, then Department of Public Clearinghouse, as in $5,000 per week check per $5,000 per week check, and then $7 and or $7,000 per week check, or $10,000 per week check for lifetime extended life lottery services division. Then Las Vegas in city casinos, then horse racing, then sports agencies, as in car race agencies, etc. all must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide. For Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then United States of America, then the Pope Francis, right? Pope Francis, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, the Satan, he created the Department of Housing, Department of Workforce Division, then the Rental Association, then urban planning agencies, all must pay $500 billion to pay to a total population worldwide for Pope Francis. Satan created for domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. Then Pope Francis, then United States of America, Department of Religion Agency must pay $500 billion to total population worldwide. For Pope Francis created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. So yes, world is yielding for good, and just celebrate being aware. Absolute monarch Satan's will be gone in ashes without trace. Okay, and then we have to go with more civil justice. Okay, so the more civil justices: Faces of Republica, Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis, and Paganist and Pharisees, as in Christian evangelicals, church pastors and types, dioceses and archbishops, then deacons, and types, then lay preachers, then Roman Catholic fathers, Roman Catholic nuns. If they are the healthiest people on the earth, why then there is a divorce in the earth? That is the wisdom. Then Ceylon Pentecostal Christianity and Ceylon Pentecostal pastors, as in brothers and sisters, then Scientology, then Mormon, Amish, Assembly of God, Baptist and types, Methodist and types, Lutherans and types, Seventh-day Adventists and Pentecostal and types, Presbyterians and types, or Protestants and types, Christian evangelist population worldwide, then the non-denomination population worldwide, all must pay $500 billion to total population for Pope Francis only created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Islam, Judaism, as in Sunni Islam leaders, imams, then 12 caliphates, as in Muhammad the father, Fatima the daughter, as in Sunni Islam types and versions and variations of caliphates displaced across the globe. If that is healthy, why would there be even a divorce as of now, as in January 2021 is a wisdom. Then the 14 caliphates, as in Muhammad the father, Fatima the daughter, and Ali the son-in-law, as in 14 caliphates and types of caliphates across the globe. If that is healthy, then why on the earth there would be a divorce process, hell process, enforced crucifixion, enforced on innocent civilians worldwide is a wisdom. Then there is a Sharia law, then burqa hijab clothing. If burqa hijab clothing is healthy, then why would there be a divorce processing, right? And then imams and rabbis, if they are healthiest people on the earth, then why there would be divorce processing in earth as of today? Is a wisdom. Then each and every single Islam leaders worldwide. If United Arab Emirates leaders and United Arab Emirates landmass is the healthiest landmass in the earth, then why would that be divorce in the earth? So that is the wisdom. Then Moors Islam, Arab Islams, Khans Islams, Nawabs Islams, Nizam Islams, Mughals Islams, and Mecca, right? If Mecca is healthiest, then why would there be divorce? So even Mecca is handcuffed mode right now. I can easily ask the Mecca to be destroyed. Okay, so be patient. I only can provide all the civil justice in a healthy way. Okay, and be patient and calm. So Mecca is handcuffed mode, at fault mode. Then Quran is also handcuffed mode. Got it? When Quran is healthy, then why would there be divorce? If Holy Bible is healthy, then why would there be divorce? If Bhagavad Gita is healthy, then why would there be divorce? Got it? Can you all see how I'm providing excellent heaven way of civil justice served? And President Joe Biden is going to sign a job offer immediately, less than 1 second, any moment. I'm just waiting to accept the job offer and to start the job immediately, because I only can provide excellent design solutions. Got it? So, Quran and as an entire Islam population should pay $500,000 billion to total population worldwide for Pope Francis created deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. He does not even have any birthright to create divorce for the people. But he did that. How? In different forms, right? When people are thrown in toxic relationships, when people are married into wrong humans and illusion way they are living, that is a really crime, zero tolerance crime he provided. So then, each Hindu god, okay, there are 10,000 Hindu gods in polytheism in Hinduism. Why not even one Hindu god even prevented the divorce hell for population? Got it? Why all entire 10,000 Hindu gods, statues, temple by temple, all handcuffed by me? And then Bhagavad Gita is also, if it is healthy, then why would there be divorce? So then each Hindu temples, then Hindu leaders, as in Yoga Gurus, ISKCON organization, Isha organization, Baha'i Lotus temple, then Buddhism book, then Jainism book, Guru Nanak, Sikhism, everything, all must pay $500,000 trillion to the entire population for Pope Francis created domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells with fatal negligence. Atheism world population worldwide must should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to total population for Pope Francis created domestic violence divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells. If atheism is healthiest, if atheism or alias communism is healthiest, then why on the earth there is divorce as of today? Can you all see how our entire atheism population and the leaders have been handcuffed by me? Nobody can escape the justice process that is going on right now. Everybody is in a shock mode. They don't know what to do. They cannot escape the justice, which I am providing right now. Then there is a devil worshipper leaders, black magic leaders, witchcraft leaders, occult leaders, sorcery leaders, spirit worshipping leaders, all have to pay $500,000 trillion dollars to entire human kingdom for Pope Francis, the Satan created domestic violence divorce to destroy the human brain nerves for fellow mankind. See, can you all see the scandal? If devil worshippers are very healthy, then why would there be a divorce in the earth as of today? So, there is a hidden wisdom which I am also providing is the wisdom process that only vices can understand how excellent way I am providing the civil justice. If President Joe Biden, if only in same page and understanding my wisdom education, he should sign up job offer immediately to me only. Nobody else. I already said United States of America should listen only to me, nobody else. Because USA is in total crisis mode, government crashed in pieces mode. Everybody in a shock mode, everybody's blood is boiling mode. Nobody's happy. Everybody wants justice to be served now, and I am providing that justice. Whatever entire human kingdom want for justice, I am talking for them. I am the mouthpiece for entire human kingdom, entire nations, entire governments, and I can only bail out the governments, bail out the national leaders worldwide. And I only can provide the excellent design solutions which I am already proving and providing already. Right? There is a lot of proof. There is no more proof that is needed. Right? Then civil justice, extended civil justices, each 7 wonders of the world monuments, as in Roman Colosseum, Taj Mahal, as in India, then Eiffel Tower in France, then London Eye or Millennium Wheel, then Western Wall, Great Wall of China in China, St. Peter's Basilica, 7 Hills of Roman Vatican, then Notre Dame Roman Catholic Cathedral in France, and all Roman Catholic cathedral facilities in all earth worldwide. If they are all healthiest facilities, why would there be divorce in earth as of today? So they all have to pay $500,000 trillion to total population daily worldwide. For Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer created domestic violence divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells with fatal negligence. Okay, then what is the other extended civil justice? That is each casteism times total casteism varieties across the globe in all nations created by whom? Lucifer alias, Antichrist alias, Satan alias, Paganist alias, Jesuits leader, Pope Francis should multiply $500,000 trillion per caste, per type, per variation, per versions across the globe, and then arrive at the grand total penalty of the financial medical aid compensation, and then must provide to the total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis created the deadliest domestic violence divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. Okay. When Pope Francis created St. Peter's Basilica, Roman Catholic Church in Vatican, Italy is the healthiest church in earth, then why on the earth there is divorce hell in earth worldwide across the globe, providing crucifixion after crucifixion types and mandating the diverse population to live with a lifetime scars, to be left out, to be mocked and bullied only by the educated, foolish population. Why? Got it? Can you all got the education, wisdom education on my civil justice sign off? Tell me, is Pope Francis going to say he don't know what is St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican, Italy? When being a Vatican leader and he's also staying there only. Is he going to tell he don't know what is St. Peter's Basilica? Got it? Got it on how the civil justice always wins all the time? Always? And how the evil force gets destroyed in ashes always, all the time? It's also wisdom, right? Evil Satan, Pope Francis is a fool. When he provided the illusion and destruction to the entire population, he left out lot of loopholes. Now tell me, he has to either say he is a Christian because he is wearing a cross, or he has to say he is not a Christian. Either then he has to say he knows what is burqa clothing in Islam world, or he should say no, he don't know burqa cloth when he himself is wearing a burqa clothing. Roman Catholic fathers and Roman Catholic nuns wears burqa clothing, hijab, right? Can you see how all the scandals that were he thought, Pope Francis thought that nobody will be able to educate correctly the scandal of the Pope Francis. That was a mistake. That's how the foolish leaves all the loopholes for the wise to figure it out. Tell me, can you all see, can you all understand how excellent way I provided civil justice in less than 1 second to entire Islam world population who are enforced to wear the shame logo, crucifixion logo, a tax mandated burqa clothing. Only that population alone is wearing that for now. That itself is a crime. Deadliest crime. And I do not even have to go and say, oh, Islam women, please, there is a scandal, please remove the burqa clothing and hijab, like that. No, I do not even have to tell them. Already all the hijab clothing and burqa clothing the Islam women are wearing, they would have thrown it on the fire and would have burnt all the burqa clothing in ashes. I saved $1 trillion revenue for each nation already. And for that alone, for that healthy process alone, United States of America should pay me another tax-free salary of $1 billion. Because I freed entire Islam population. And that was the one promise I provided to them. Do you know that? Do you all know that? When I was working on a poverty-free project, end of the year 2020 volunteer project, I said only one sentence to the entire Islam population. I will provide civil justice to entire human kingdom and absolutely to the Islam population. They are all my blood drops. Got it? So, when the absolute monarchs destroyed their peace, and they are going to pay the price. And what is the price they are going to pay? Death penalty in volcano in Hawaii. Got it? And I only educated wisdom that time that dear Islam population, dear Judaism population, dear non-Christian population, dear Hinduism population, dear atheism population, dear devil worshippers population, do not worry, I will provide civil justice for you all. Because I only can provide the civil justice. And right now, they will be shedding tears of joy worldwide. They will be shedding only tears of joy, being aware, oh, my world, it all is happening in year 2021. How long they have been waiting for that day. The Islam population have been waiting for that day. How long the entire 300 million population of USA nation have been waiting for that day, for this day, I would say. How long? 500 long years of torture, provided, mandated by the Satan Pope Francis. And civilians could not fix it because they were thinking Pope Francis only is a god. Their eyes were blinded with foolishness. They were thinking Pope Francis, just like that, being an adult, just like that, dropped from heaven. That is what the Absolute Organization says. The slogan says, the absolute monarchs are the divine rights, having the divine rights of God, jumped from the heavens, so they only can rule the nations. Nobody can ask the nations, even if they do any kind of a crime, nobody can ask. That is what that organization says. And that is why Pope Francis is a fool, right? He is going to get a disgraceful death penalty, and his family members are going to watch. How many, he did the same. He in fact, in a very wrongful way only, he destroyed fellow mankind's lives, precious lives, right? How many people would have begged, oh no, don't do that torture to me, right? When innocent people, civilians, were getting burnt in ashes in the World War II, in that Poland, with that gas chambers, Pope Francis was quiet and calm. He was just coolest, right? Now is the time. He will get into the volcano, and when he is getting fried in ashes in volcano in Hawaii, he will know why he is got into the volcano at the first place. Right? Got it? And yes, President Joe Biden should know why he is handcuffed mode and he got all the curses, because how on the earth he is going to provide the medical compensation that was provided, provide the medical compensation for all the hell created during the World War II deadliest crimes or entire war crimes. When I'm saying his head is going to break or he's going to pass out with, faint out with all the crimes I'm displaying, that is the truth. Right? So tell me, how on the earth, what will Pope Francis will tell? Will he say that he knows Holy Bible, or will he say he don't know Holy Bible today? Either ways he is got caught. Either ways he has to pay trillions and trillions of dollars to entire population worldwide daily. Daily forever. That means $500,000 trillion daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. So don't you all think that is a perfect, excellent, Holy Bible guidelines civil justice has signed off? I never asked for this Pope trap. I'm sorry to tell this, but I have to tell that, I have to display my frustration up front, right? There are so many people who are talking behind. I am at least saying up front that Pope Francis is Satan, Pope Francis is the Antichrist, Pope Francis is Lucifer, Pope Francis only destroyed entire national operations, he destroyed holy marriage law, he destroyed the family law, he destroyed the tax law, he destroyed the finance law, everything got destroyed in pieces. Banks are super mad at Pope Francis because they are at loss right now, right? They're all in the seal to be shut down forever mode. What will they answer to their people who are working for them? What will they answer? Got it? On this crime highest level part? So, can you all see? I also provided healthy guidance on how to trace for the root cause, because each and every checkpoints, every gateways. Remember, when we pass that, then we'll know. Oh, this is not. Oh, this is what. This is how the root cause for. Oh, this is how the divorce was created. Oh my. Just send that Satan in the volcano in Hawaii. Let that Satan be fried in ashes. This is exactly what entire human population, all the national governments will be saying right now. We all are in same page on that part. Only thing, people don't know how to take that Satan down in ashes. And I am providing that guidelines. That is all is needed, right? People wanted healthy guidelines. Today, entire population got educated on who exactly created divorce. It is Pope Francis, Satan created the divorce. Even in that scandal, when God creates a divorce, that is healthy pastors. I already explained that. Right? Even in that scandal process, God works out a miracle. And God created divorce as a miracle after all. I already said, in the Pope Francis enforced divorce processing scandal model, tax mandate scandal model, 99% of the divorce population will die out of stress, emotional stress created during the divorce process itself, and he mandated that. When you are seeing the tort law, right, in the screenshots which I am provided on the video screens, when you are seeing the tort law, which I got it from the online education, it says, there should not be any injury provided to the civilians, period. And national government provided injury, then president's provided injury means President Joe Biden should get out of the White House immediately. Pope Francis should get out in the volcano and get fried and he has to be gone without a trace in ashes immediately. The tort law says that nobody have any basic birthrights to create hell for fellow mankind. See, when humans don't know how to live, then why on the earth they even want to bother to get married and create hell for fellow mankind? Right? See, that is the evil word, right? E-V-I-L, evil, right? Now reverse that word. What does it say? Live. Okay? So I will provide that education also. Do you all know what is the meaning of live? To live clean love, to die in the clean love. It is super heaven, my dear fellow mankind, to live cleanest. And we humans are knows only to display cleanest love. We humans do not know how to hurt fellow mankind. We humans know how to live in perfect harmony only. Right? There is no education needed for that. We are born champions to live in harmony, in peace, in love. Right? So, okay, now we all got educated what is live and what is love, evil. So, what is live? You live in clean love. When people don't know how to live in clean love, what happens? You reverse that live. They live evil. Oh, you are so mean. Oh, you are so evil. We tell that, right? How? Because they become anti-love people, antichrist people. Because they are not able to display the true love, clean love. So there is a disability there. There are two levels we have to look into the abusive people, okay? One side, they are innocent because their brains are damaged, right? They don't know how to display the clean love. That is, it's a disability, right? When people don't know how to display clean love, that is a disability, right? That is a disability. So, but on the other end, when the ordinary public and the civilians and the society, when they are looking at the abusive patients, they will look only at, oh, see that evil man, or see that evil woman. Why on the earth she created or he did that? Throw him on the jail, hang him, provide death penalty. That's how. But they will not. Today they got the education from me, right? Today, entire human kingdom, entire population, they got a clear education, wisdom education from me, and I am providing civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. And now, people also got educated what exactly is the Holy Bible, what exactly is a true Christianity. And also seeing the illusionized Christianity, who are calling themselves as Christians today, and who are the total, they're telling, oh, we are Christians. They are not. And I already said, only innocent personification and the definition are only non-Christians. Right? And that is the truth. Because they all became non-Christians because of the scandal provided by Pope Francis only. Oh, there is more medical compensation that needs to be provided. Oh, list after list after list. No, do not confuse. Is it a laundry list? No, no, no. It is not a laundry list. It is a medical compensation long billing claims list. President Joe Biden is going to faint and pass out. The non Christian population worldwide as of now is created by Pope Francis only. Pope Francis is Satan. And what on the earth or how on the earth President Joe Biden is going to handle it? He will only say, okay, Vedapriya, you are the excellent leader. Just come, start doing the job. I will sign off the job offer. You do the designing. I will listen. That is what President Joe Biden even will say, even in handcuffed mode. He is at fault in handcuffed mode. Even in that mode, he will only say that. Because everybody knows that I only can solve the broken systems everywhere. I can only bail out the non-Christian populations. I mean population worldwide, right? There is a destruction going on everywhere. Hell is going on everywhere. People are tortured everywhere. That needs to be stopped. That needs to be stopped immediately. So for that, what is the solution? I sign off civil justice and I get the medical compensation for entire human kingdom, and everybody will start living in the peaceful way. That is how it should be. A civilian's birthright is what? A basic civilized birthright for a civilian is must live in a peaceful life, must have all the basic essentials to live with. A civilian should never, ever, ever, forever, never should go and beg anybody for any help, any basic essentials. Never. So that means I am the one who is going to provide all the excellent heaven mode of civil justice for entire human kingdom. Please be patient, okay? So then what more of the civil justice? Each nation in holy planet Earth wide, as in each national government should pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of human in entire human kingdom for damage done to the innocent civilians daily forever in versions of hell types created by Holy Highness, Perfect Republica, and Human God of USA, the Jesuits Vatican leader, Pope Francis enforced and mandated and only then created deadliest domestic crime, divorce, to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. And Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer failed in Pope's job. And Satan, Pope Francis, the Antichrist failed in Republica job. Then Satan, Pope Francis, the Antichrist failed in Holy Highness job. Then Satan, Pope Francis, the Antichrist failed in God of USA job. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer failed in Jesuits job. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist failed in Vatican leader's job means, can you all trace the breach of duty he provided? He is at fault. He provided all the battery. He provided all the assault. In the name of God. In the name of absolute monarch. In the name of having divine rights of God. He abused all the power. That is deadliest crime. He should get only in the volcano immediately. He should have been gone in ashes right now, with my testimony already provided, right? So that is all is a civil justice served exclusively for this domestic violence crime of divorce, to destroy the human brain nerve cells with fatal negligence, and to enforce and create abusive populations worldwide, just to enforce toxic relationship. So even the toxic relationships and toxic abusive marriages is also enforced by Pope Francis only. Got it? So that is why it's a crime after crime, and it's a layer in layer mode. And I'm explaining everything in detailed process. So civil justice is served, and then again one more time the public awareness is, yes, just be aware, blood cells level, absolute monarchs are dangerous to human kingdom, dangerous to plant kingdom and animal kingdom. And for fanatic love of crown, the Satan's allies, Antichrist allies, Lucifer, venomous absolute monarchs can do anything. And always Pope Francis, Satan only enjoys sufferings of fellow mankind and worldwide nations, governments worldwide. They are fearing only one word. It is Pope Francis the Jesuits, because he kills them, everybody. He kills anybody who stands in front of Pope Francis and asks question on why on the earth he destroyed. On the other hand, when I am taking the job offer and I am starting to provide the design solutions, I just slap on the face left and right with on the Pope Francis, and he will be gone in ashes. My dear fellow mankind, just be aware that whoever created destruction to the entire national operations, destructions, they all are going to get into the volcano in Hawaii. I will read out the call out the name loudest that all nations can hear. Already are hearing with my life testimony right now. But then, when with the job offer signed off, and then when I'm providing that solutions, that is different, right? People will listen, right? Oh, this person, oh yeah, like that, right? So I need to get the job offer to get the things done. This is, I'm providing the civil justice, and I'm proving that I have to be the leader of USA. President Joe Biden, he never fixed anything, and he proved he's not a leader. There's a delay in that. When I'm providing highest priority civil solutions, he being a lawyer, he not even provided any solutions yet. Just talking only sweet talks. There never should be any delay in providing civil justice. That is not justice at all. It is called as injustice. And I am proving I can only provide excellent supreme civil justice process worldwide. Got it? And yes, be aware that for the birthright process, that each and every single crime is deadliest. And so that is why the domestic violence, divorce is also deadliest crime. It's a zero tolerance that is enforced as a crucifixion. Absolute crucifixion, right? And imagine how much divorced civilian population have to undergo for an emotional torture and pain and agony daily, and the lifetime scars, to be mocked by the foolish people. Educated people only mocks divorced population. They don't even know that divorced population are the holiest population after all. They are the holiest populations worldwide. Anyways, and be still and be known that I am born to save the world. Okay, I only can fix all the broken operations. So that means handcuffed Department of Children and Families can be bailed out only by me. I only can guide them on what to do next process. I only can guide the Department of Health Services. I only can lead and guide Department of Justice. I only can lead and guide Department of Tax. I only can guide Department of Exports Imports. I only can guide Department of Agriculture. I only can guide Pentagon, military, education, everything. You name everything. I only can lead and guide the mortgage services. I only can lead and guide rental association services. I only can lead and guide property, urban development services. Entire government operations I only can lead and guide. So the job offer should be signed off immediately to me for me to start the job. And yes, I am in absolute finance crisis, my dear fellow mankind. And I do not have enough funds in my bank account right now. And I have to pay my basic essentials, my rental bills and everything. And it can absolutely help when USA government provides the direct deposit process finance aid. And that will be helpful in this transition time for me, at least, right? From being unemployed mode and to be employed mode. That's a transition mode. So in that transition mode itself, I will use that finance aid as a salary given, and I can take care of my basic essentials and get ready to start the job, right? I feel that is a healthy process. I am asking whatever that is rightful, right? And yes, it can help me when I'm getting a timely help from USA government. For I'm displaying USA government operation errors, $1 trillion worth of errors, And then as of today, I'm also displaying live proof that $1 trillion scandal of Pope Francis, the Antichrist, the Satan, the Lucifer. Okay, and I hope you all are happiest of being educated on wisdom of awareness on birthrights. Each crime of Pope Francis, Satan is deadliest, and absolute monarchs, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and faces of Pope Francis teams must never be living in the holy earth as of today. For created domestic violence type divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence, and yet allowed to live free is the deadliest crime. And that is why USA nation is handcuffed by me. And it is a super blessing after all for the USA nation. Okay, nation. And yes, again, before I want to end this session, I finished the civil justice sign off for domestic violence type divorce created by Pope Francis. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, be aware that I only filed a lawsuit against United States of America for $50,000 trillion, and all nations, each nations for $50,000 trillion in the year 2019. Double quotes, in the year 2019. And I filed that defaults to each and every government agency of USA nation also handcuffed, and I filed lawsuit for $500 billion. That is why Department of Health Services, they created this COVID-19 plague scandal. So for that creation of COVID-19 scandal also, the USA nation must pay another extra $500,000 trillion daily to total population worldwide for Pope Francis, the Satan created COVID-19 plague. Got it? So I signed off civil justice in a healthy, excellent way, and that there are more crimes, and I have to prove. And I think I will take little bit of break because this itself is a very long. Civil justice which I provided in parts, and yes, other crimes that needs to be addressed immediately as well. So I will use my best of my ability and the strength given by God. I am providing the testimony. Okay, so just be aware that I am, and yes, I am the native Indian tribe, and yes, I am the true Israelite tribe, Christian Jew, and yes, I am the true owner of USA and all nations, and I only can guide all national operations according to the Holy Bible guidelines. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.